How much should you spend on a compact circular saw? Because here's the thing, grab a cheap one and it might not last, but drop over $150 and you're wondering if you overpaid. The truth is, price doesn't always mean performance. So today, we're cutting through the noise to find the real winners. Product number 1, DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Saw. First up, the DeWalt 20V Max. This is the premium pick at $165.82, and it's built for pros and serious DIYers who already use DeWalt's 20V battery system. What caught my eye is the 5150 RPM motor and 612-inch blade, which gives you power and precision in a surprisingly compact frame. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 50-degree bevel capability means you can make clean angled cuts for trim, framing, or decking without switching tools. And since it's part of the 20V Max ecosystem, you can swap batteries with your drill, impact, driver, or lights. No extra chargers cluttering your shop. Over 3,000 bought this last month, which tells you it's trusted on real job sites. Now, some people complained about the battery not being included. That's fair, it stings when you pay over $160 and still need to drop another $80+ for a battery and charger. Here's the thing though, if you're already in the DeWalt system, you probably have one lying around. But if you're starting from scratch, this isn't the most budget-friendly entry point. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or weekend warrior who values reliability and already owns DeWalt 20V tools. Skip this one if you're looking for a one-time use saw or hate investing in battery platforms. Still, for performance and long-term value, it's hard to beat. Product number 2, Skill 5080 corded saw. Alright, that DeWalt is powerful but pricey. If you want raw cutting muscle without the battery cost, meet the Skill 5080 at just $64.23. This red workhorse packs a 13-amp motor. That's serious power for ripping plywood or cutting 2x lumber fast. It's also 15% lighter than its older model, so your arm won't hate you after long cuts. Here's why this matters for you. The 51-degree bevel with positive stops lets you dial in perfect angles for crown molding or roof pitches without guessing. The spindle lock makes blade changes quick, no more fumbling with 2 wrenches. Plus, the improved dust blower keeps your cut line visible, which sounds small but saves you from cuts and wasted material. With 2,000+ sold last month, it's a shop favorite for good reason. Now, the downside, it's corded. That means you're tethered to an outlet or extension cord, which can be annoying on job sites or in tight garages. Some users also said the base plate feels a bit flimsy compared to higher-end models. Here's the thing though, for under $70 you're getting pro-level power. The cord is a trade-off, not a deal-breaker, unless you absolutely need mobility. This is perfect for you if you're doing heavy-duty wood cutting at home or in a workshop with power access. Skip this one if you need to move around a lot or cut metal or tile. It's built for wood. For the price, it's an insane value. Product number 3, Ryobi 18V Compact Saw. Now, if the skills cord frustrated you, this Ryobi 18V at $51.64 brings cordless convenience at a steal. It's part of Ryobi's One Plus system, so if you've got their drills or lights, you're already ahead. The 512-inch blade is smaller, but that's what makes it so nimble for tight spaces and one-handed cuts. Here's why this matters for you. Compact doesn't mean weak. It handles most DIY tasks, trim work, shelving, small deck repairs with ease. And because it's lightweight and balanced, you can control it with one hand while holding material with the other. Over 1,000 bought it last month, mostly homeowners and casual builders who want simplicity without junk-tier quality. The flaw? It's not for heavy lumber. Trying to cut a 2x6, it'll struggle. Some users also wished for a laser guide or better dust management. Here's the thing though, for under $55, you're getting a legit cordless saw from a trusted brand. It's not a pro tool, but it doesn't pretend to be. This is perfect for you if you're a homeowner doing occasional projects and already use Ryobi tools. Skip this one if you're cutting thick hardwood or need maximum depth. It's affordable, practical, and gets the job done. Product number 4, CCI Mini Saw with Laser. Alright, that Ryobi is great for basics. But if you want precision and versatility, the CCI Mini at $89.97 stands out. It's got a 4.8 amp motor hitting 4,000 RPM, 20% faster than typical mini saws, and comes with 3 blades for wood, metal, tile, and plastic. That's rare at this size. Here's why this matters for you. The laser guide and rip guide help you make straighter cuts, which is huge if you're building furniture or installing flooring. The adjustable depth 111/16 at 90 degrees and 45 degrees bevel give you real flexibility, and the vacuum adapter keeps dust down, no more breathing in sawdust. It's also 50% lighter than full-size saws, so fatigue isn't an issue. The downside. The build feels a bit plasticky, and a few users reported the laser drifting over time. Also, while it cuts tile, it's not a replacement for a wet saw. Expect some chipping on hard ceramics. Here's the thing though, for under $90 you're getting multi-material capability most compact saws don't offer. It's not industrial grade, but for DIYers it's a powerhouse. This is perfect for you if you tackle mixed material projects and want one tool that does it all. Skip this one if you need deep cuts in thick hardwood. For versatility and precision, it's a standout. Product number 5, GLAXIA 4 amp compact saw. Finally, the GLAXIA at $51.40. This is the budget king with surprising features. It's got a 4 amp motor, laser guide, rip guide, and weighs just 5.5 pounds. For half the price of the CCI, you're getting 80% of the functionality. Here's why this matters for you. The laser and rip guide combo helps beginners make clean, straight cuts without experience. The depth adjusts up to 111/16, enough for most plywood and framing tasks, and the vacuum adapter keeps your workspace cleaner. It's simple, lightweight, and comes with 2 TCT blades, great for wood cutting. The flaw, it's not for metal or tile, only wood, and the motor struggles with dense hardwoods or thick cuts. Some users also said the blade change mechanism feels loose. Here's the thing though, for under $55 you're getting a solid entry-level saw with pro features like a laser. It won't replace your table saw, but it doesn't need to. This is perfect for you if you're new to woodworking or need a lightweight saw for light projects. Skip this one if you're cutting metal or doing daily heavy use. For the price, it's a no-brainer. So which compact circular saw wins? The DeWalt if you're all in on cordless and already use 20V tools. The skill if you want max power for under $70. The Ryobi for affordable cordless convenience. The CCI if you cut multiple materials and want precision. And the GLAXIA if you're on a tight budget but still want quality. Each has its place. Pick the one that matches your projects and wallet.